Did the Minister of Science, Technology and Innovation actually graduate from the University of Nigeria? This is the question Nnaji was expected to answer when his office issued a notice for a news conference to address the issue. But questions were still left unanswered as only his spokesman showed up providing two documents, which were a convocation brochure claiming to show faces of the 1985 graduating class with an arrow pointing to an image said to be that of Nnaji. Another document presented was a letter purportedly issued by the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, and dated 21 December 2023, which claimed that Nnaji was admitted to the university in 1981 to study microbiology and biochemistry and graduated in July 1985. The letter was purportedly issued by the registrar of the university following a 2023 inquiry by the People's Gazette. But when asked about the statement of results issued to Nnaji amid the recent disclaimer from the VC of the university, Nnaji's representatives got agitated.
What we ask the court is not certificate. We ask the court for transcript of the university, because once you have the transcript, you have nothing else to talk about, because the transcript will show you if he actually graduated.
Do not interject, please. You've asked your question. He has answered, and we're going to move on, whether you're satisfied or not.
Critics insist that Nnaji did not complete his university education and that both the bachelor's degree and National Youth Service Corps NYSC discharge certificate he presented during his ministerial screening were allegedly forged. Nnaji denies this.
The issue of NYSC, there's actually no issue about NYSC, because Premium Times did not present any letter from NYSC. Normally, when you write on freedom of information to NYSC, they usually respond, and that letter, there's an example in Enugu where the current governor of Enugu had issues with his NYSC, and there was actually a letter from NYSC to that effect. In this case, there's no problem with NYSC with Chief Uche Nnaji. So we thought it's a moot case because there's really no issue. He served his country very well. He served in Plateau State.
When pressed further, the minister's aides directed journalists to the security agencies, claiming his academic documents were submitted to the DSS.
When he was appointed a minister, he submitted his records. It was vetted by the DSS, by National Assembly. His records are there, his public records. It was submitted, and you can have access to those. If you write to DSS, or if you write, we can use Freedom of Information Act to gather any information you need. They are public records.
In all, Nnaji's representatives failed to provide the certified true copy of his academic credentials, but blamed the scandal on the Enugu state government.